This is the POS-365 login screen. From here, you can select a user. Upon login, POS-365 synchronizes all settings to ensure you have the latest updates. POS-365 works both online and offline, ensuring you can always make sales. On the left panel, you'll find the product groups. Each product group lists the corresponding products, making navigation simple and intuitive. You can also use the search bar to find your products by name, number, or by scanning a barcode. Let's select a product to add to the active receipt. Once added, click on the product in the receipt lines to activate its functions. Here you can view stock amount, add product line notes, set a new price, or apply a manual discount. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply click the payment button. At the payment page, you can select the preferred payment method. That was how to complete a sale in POS 365.